guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ava, and today we will be grading and showing you all of these squishy balls. Some look like virus balls, but they're not. Okay, so the first one I have is this. This one's my favorite. Look. Has Orbeez in it. Really nice. 10 out of 10. It's really nice. Okay. Next, I have this. Or actually, this one. This one is a water squishy. It's like, it's not really supposed to be thrown at the wall, but it's not sticky anymore, but squish. It's like, I would definitely recommend these, but don't throw them at the wall because like they just don't really, they work, but it's just like not my favorite thing to do. You guys we all have our own opinions. We can all do whatever we want, but my opinion, I just love squishing them. Look, ready? They're very easy to pop though. That's the problem. You don't want to like go like really hard. You just want to go very lightly. As much as it takes to just do that. But you do it fast, but don't like put all the water there, else it'll pop. Because it's my favorite also. These two are my favorites. I give this 10 out of 10. It's really nice. I love it. Next, I have this. This is not a Nido. It looks like a Nido, but it's not. It has much harder plastic compared to this. This is a Nido. This is not a Nido. This one has much lighter plastic. This one is much harder. Because look, if I go like this, it's more doughy. Look, see the difference? If you just go like that, much easier. This one's much more, it stays together. That one just goes with that one stays together a little bit. Okay, look. Squish. 8 out of 10. It's nice. Okay, next I have this. This is, it looks like a virus, kind of, but it's just nice. I made it. It's like my own made-up fidget. I didn't make this up, but I just found it. My mom just got it for me because when I was really into fidgets a couple months ago, I like it. So look, it's a squish. It makes a nice sound. I give this a 9 out of 10. It's nice. Okay, next I have this giant Nido. See the Nido? Kind of hard to see. Look. I have two of them, but one of them popped. I give this 10 out of 10. It's nice. Okay, next I have this. This is a blue sparkly Nido. It says Nido. It's a little hard to see, but it says Nido. I don't really, let me find it. Right here. Look when you squish it. It looks like the, you can go like this and you can like squish them. Squish it, all the stuff comes out. I definitely give this 9 out of 10. It's pretty nice. Very nice. Okay, next we have this. Not exactly squishy, but it's like a plastic that you can push in. Also, this is another one I made my own fidget. But look. Look, it's like you can feel these. It's hard plastic, but you can kind of like squish it in. Look, but you can also feel these little plastic balls hitting the side. I really like this one. 9 out of 10. Okay, this. I love this one also. It's not like my super duper favorite. Like I would just go to it and squish it. But look, let me show you what it does. Okay, so you go, you get like a little side of the plastic. Wait, let me get the head because it's much more like thinner. Okay, you get that, and then there's like these little hard beads. Look, I'm gonna do ASMR with this one day. Is that just me or is that so satisfying? The things you can do with this one I really like because it's very satisfying. I give this 8 out of 10 because it has good ASMR. Okay, next I have this one. You must be thinking, it's pretty nice, but it is really nice. It just look, you have to squish it with 2 hands because look, it's squishy, but it's hard to squish. Look, let me show you with 2 hands. It's satisfying when it goes down. When it goes down to the bubbles, it's really nice. I give it a 7 out of 10, and it lights up also. But I don't really like it because it's hard. I would rather it be easier plastic in there, but still, it's pretty nice. I give it 7 out of 10. Actually, 6 out of 10. Yeah. Okay. Next, I have this. This is another water squishy. This is a water squishy, kind of. See? It's really nice. I give it 6 out of 10 because, 8 out of 10. I was falling asleep for a second. 8 out of 10 because it's like really nice. I like the sound when it goes in. Makes like a nice sound. I like it. Okay, this one. Oops, sorry. This one. This one is similar to this, but this one's much bigger. This one I like more. I give this probably a 3 out of 10 because it's heavy. Wait, it's very heavy. It's not like heavy. Like I can lose like 14 of them. It's literally like 3 pounds. It's literally, I'm not over exaggerating. It's 2 pounds. It's heavy, and it's frustrating because as it fills with water, you can't hear it. And there's like little glitter in them. It's really pretty. I don't know, it just frustrates me. So 2 out of 10, not really my favorite. Okay, these are group. This is a group. The banana, the orange, the Doritos, and this. Okay, first I'll twist the banana. I like this. I like how it feels, the sides. Give this 8 out of 10. That one. Put it back. I like the strawberry. 9 out of 10. Orange. 10 out of 10. I really like it. It's like easy. It feels like this. It feels like a Doritos. I give them all 10 out of 10s. I really like them, but the orange is my favorite of all of them. Okay, next, I'm just gonna do this one. I like it. It's slow rising. It's really nice. It's like a cat burger. See? It's a cat burger. It has hamburger. It's like something from Burger King. It's like double. It has bread, hamburger, bread, hamburger, cheese, bread, hamburger, lettuce, tomato, bread, and a little cat face on it. Isn't it cute? Look at it's so slow rising. I give this 9 out of 10 because it's like it kind of has that sticky feel to it. That's what I like about it. So I give this a 9 out of 10. It's really nice. Next I have I love this squishy. It's not new, I just have this on since Easter, but look, it says qualified with a koala. Look how it's nice, because look at this. Look how slow rising that is. It's also like has that sticky feel. Look how nice. So satisfying. Next, I have this. This one is another. Let me get the twin. Okay, yeah. These are others. They're the same things. We already did that one. Okay, look at this. It's like so pretty. Look. This one's a little softer than the yellow. Yeah, because look, let me feel the yellow. Yeah, this one's definitely softer for some reason. 10 out of 10. This is regular Nido. Okay, look. See, it says Nido. Look. It's like it's tie-dye, kind of. I don't know how a monkey Nido got in here, but okay. Those were my squishy fidget. Those were my squishy fidgets. So hope you have a great day. Hope you're always kind. Please subscribe, like my channel, and have a great day. Bye guys.